Hi everyone, this is Gayle, and I have been very busy today. I've worked in the yard, I had to run some errands, had to go to the bank, then I went to exercise class, then I had to go by the grocery store, and I came home and I was really tired and I wanted to take a nap, and what was sitting in my mailbox but my first order from RJ Crafts. So I ended up doing a video. I've already done that part of the video showing my unboxing, but I realized it was such a blunt opening. So I decided I better just let you know exactly what's going on. But this is my first experience with RJ Crafts, and I am a member of their design team, which I'm very proud of. I think that's awesome. And there's 5 of us on the design team, and they're all awesome artists, so it's going to be fun learning new things with new products. So just sit back and look. It's a very short video, but I just wanted to kind of let you know what this was, and I will be back. Hi everyone, this is Gayle, and I am back today with my design team box. I've opened the box. And I really want to see what's inside, even though, I know what's inside, but it's products I've never seen in person before. So I thought I would open them with you so you could see them too. So okay, paper. And this, I think, yeah, I gave her a list of what I would like to try first. And this is it. Look at this screen print. Silkscreen, I mean. Is that not gorgeous? And you remember I showed you the bracelet, my last tutorial that was done on Monday. I showed you a bracelet that I used a screen print with large open areas, and this one has nice large open areas. So I plan on using this with some mica powders. These I asked for 1 and I got a set of 4, but I got white diamonds, hammered copper, amethyst purple, and pink slippers, and those are the colors there. So I'll be using these with the Silkscreen, and probably will make a bracelet. And this is cutter set number 6, which is the teardrops. Now, I have some teardrop cutters, but I don't have these sizes. And this is a set of 3. No, it's a set of 5. Oh, how nice. Let's see how these work here. There's 3, then this goes in here. Oh, I see, they don't fit inside. Alright, so it's this, and then this, then this, then this, and then this. Of course, I've got them upside down for teardrops, but that's okay. So these are going to be, I've got a little one, but this is a good size, and these are great sizes for pendants. So I'm anxious to see how these work. Let's see. She had them going in from the other side. I don't think that's it. I think this is it. And then that fits in there, and this fits in there. So there we go. That's my 5-piece cutter set. And this is cutter set number 6, which are the
Yeah, teardrop. That's a handy set to have. I'm going to look at my list to see what I've got here. Then I have set number 32, which is jewelry bales, which I think is awesome. I'm surprised nobody's thought of this before, but all of these, and I'll be doing a demo on these, but all of these, you cut clay to be a bale on your pendants. Isn't that awesome? So this is going to be another set that's going to be really cool to play with. So the next time I make a pendant, I will have a bale for it. Alright, and what else have I got? Am I going to have fun playing? And I got this set. I'm not even sure what it's called. It just says... Oh, this isn't one that I ordered. Oh, she sent me an extra one. Okay. But this is a set. Let me get the big one out. This is like a fat teardrop. And that's a shape that we use a lot in polymer clay. But look at all these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sizes. And here's the smallest one. So this, again, is something that's going to be a lot of fun to play with. And this one I really thought was interesting. I did ask for this one. This is a bracelet. And it's a cutter set. And you can take, let me get them out. See the shapes of the cutters? And they fit together. So what I would probably do is cut like maybe 4 of these shapes and maybe 4 or 5 of these shapes until I see how they measure out. I don't know for sure. And then you put them together, and you can even use the spacer here as kind of a idea where you can put it like a bead in the middle, and you end up with a really nice bracelet. So I really thought this was kind of cool. And she's got lots and lots of bracelets. And, I mean, necklace cutters, bracelet cutters. I mean, she's really got a lot. So these are my toys that I have for this month. And I will be playing with these. Actually, what would be nice is to print this out with the mica powders and then cut it out with this and just make a long bracelet. My brain is going already. So I just wanted you to see these. And again, this is RJ Crafts. And she is at www.rjcrafts.com. And I do have a link that I always put on my tutorials, so that you'll be able to get there easily without having to look it up. So there we go. My first box from RJ Crafts. I can't wait to play and just see what we can do. So come back again, and I will be incorporating these into my tutorials. So thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.